I think I've always had a passion for building and construction, but to be honest, this is more of a dream than anything.
I always wonder what I wanted to be or who I wanted to be, but at the thought of it over the years, it never really came to me until now, and this is like a great experience to do.
I'm incredibly proud of the students, the staff, the partners that we're working with. These kids are going to leave this program employed and have the skills to be employed. And we're so fortunate in District 5 to have the support of our board and the support of our district office to allow us to think outside the box and be creative in the programming that we provide for all of our students.
This went from being a program where I was attending meetings to discuss possibilities to becoming one of the most gratifying experiences that I've had in my 3 years at the college, to see what these students have been able to accomplish and to do things that maybe some people didn't think they could do. And you know, we started with a birdhouse, and now they've put together these mini houses, subfloor, walls, a roof with shingles and windows. I mean, it's so exciting to see, and to see their passion.
Honestly, this passion, it pretty much came from our teacher, Mr. Jerry. And without him, I would never have been so inspired to even do this. It's like a real good opportunity to do this. It's something I never thought I could actually try.
Very excited. As a matter of fact, I'm so excited that I hope that I get the electrical that I'm going for. Everything that I want to do, I'm going to be able to do through this class. And the fact that a job is coming out of it helps me in my future.
I feel a great deal of responsibility that very often we as a school district are the last opportunity for training for those kids. So that's why those community partners are so important, that they have somebody to go to for continued training and support when they leave us, when they leave the school district. But it makes my heart happy that we've got 4 or 5 more kids that are going to be potentially employed through this program.